Within Bill4Time, you can track your tasks for your clients and projects. You will simply click on the Task tab in your navigation bar to take you to the Task dashboard. When on this dashboard, you will be able to search for a specific task by the title of the task and full description within the task using the search bar on the left. On the right side of the search bar, you will see Show Filters. This will allow you to filter out your tasks using any specific restrictions. To add a task, simply click on the Add Task button on the right. On this screen, you will be able to add a title for your task and enter any description of your task. You can leave the task unassigned, or you can assign the task to a specific client and project. You will also be able to assign the task to any user in the system who will be responsible for the completion of that task. You can select the date that the task is to be completed by. You will notice that there is a Relative To option as well for the due date. This option is used once you select a client and project. This allows you to enter the number of days that the task is to be completed, either after the start of a project or after another task is completed. This screen also allows you to set the priority of the task normal, high, medium, and low. If you assign a task to a client and project, you will be able to see the task within that project. Click on the Task tab within the project you selected, and the list of tasks that are assigned to that project will show. This tab also allows you to add a task within that project as well. Thank you for watching the Bill4Time Task Management tutorial. Please click to continue watching for the next video in the series.